The central atom method has one type of electron counting, but there are other types of electron counting that you'll need to learn in this course. The two most important are the oxidation state method and the formal charge method. Water can be used to illustrate both. The formal charge method is the method where electrons that are being shared are shared equally in the counting system. In the formal charge method, electrons are shared equally, as shown on the top. And so in the formal charge method, how many electrons does oxygen end up with? Put it in chat. And the answer is 6. Hydrogen ends up with 1. And in the oxidation state method, the more electronegative atom gets all the electrons. So if there's a shared pair of electrons, in the oxidation state method of counting, the more electronegative atom ends up with all the electrons. Oxygen ends up with, put in chat, how many electrons in oxidation state? 8. Hydrogen ends up with 0. And we report the oxidation state first we report them as Roman numerals, and we report them as how much they differ from the original number of electrons. So in the oxidation state count method, oxygen starts off with 6 electrons. But once we're finished in the oxidation state method, it has 8 electrons. That's 2 more electrons, and therefore put in chat, what is the oxidation state? What is the oxidation state if oxygen went from 6 to 8 electrons? And the answer is -2, because it got 2 more electrons. And do we use Roman numerals or Arabic numerals for oxidation state? And the answer is Roman numerals. And hydrogen, therefore, ends up in what oxidation state? Please put it in chat. And the answer is +1, Roman numerals. We're going to reserve the Arabic numerals for formal charges. So what is the formal charge of oxygen in H2O? It started with 6, it ended up with 6. That's a change of 0. So the formal charge is 0. Same thing for hydrogen. Started with 1, ended with 1. Formal charge is 0. And we tend not to write 0 formal charges.